Iyo,
I'm here.
how are you today? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see Teacher Ann?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll start. Okay,
Okay.
for a while, Kiyo. Okay, so Keo, what is this, Keo? We have now in Unit 12, a journey into space. Look at here.
I see.
Okay, so we have here different vocabulary words. Number 1, can you read that one?
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
Number 2,
Plane.
planet.
Planet.
3,
Rocket.
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 Cloud.
4,
Ground.
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 Next,
Uh,
next,
every woman.
environment.
Environment.
And,
Environment.
okay, number 1.
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
Yeah, number 2,
Planet.
Rocket.
Ground. Ground.
Environment. Environment.
okay, you read it first, Keo.
Environment.
Astronaut,
Astronaut.
planet,
Planet.
rocket,
Rocket.
ground,
Environment.
environment. Very good.
Temperature.
Temperature,
Temperature.
temperature.
And the
Temperature.
Listen,
Temperature.
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 Okay. Complete the sentences about the picture. Okay. You will complete the sentences about complete the sentences about the picture. Here.
The astronaut is jump up the top of the stair.
Okay, an astronaut is jumping off the top of
The chair. Stair.
stairs. Okay, number 2. What's the answer?
Go.
Okay, can you read and what? 2 of the
Golf.
astronauts are playing
G-O-L-E. G-O-L-E.
golf. Oh, golf. Okay, number 2. This is your answer.
Open. Open. Tree.
Is
Tree is open.
okay, we'll see. Next,
Uh,
a robot with a square blank is watching TV inside the rocket.
head.
The robot with a square
Head.
head.
Yeah. With a square head.
With a square head. Next, one of the planet is blank than the two other. The other 2.
Large. Larger. Larger.
What's your answer?
Larger.
Later? Larger.
Larger.
Yeah.
Larger.
A robot is head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us see your answer. Number 6. What's your answer? The trees have got leaves that look like
Little.
little hands. Okay. Little hands. Next. 7.
The dog. The chest. The chest.
The chest under the rocket looks like a bit like a sand.
The rock.
The rock, where is the rock here?
The
The dog?
ground. Ground.
The ground. Ground?
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Okay, let us see your answer. Okay, the answer for number 1 is 2 astronauts
Golf.
are playing golf. Very good. Can you read number 3, Kayo?
Oh, rocket door is open.
The rocket door is open.
Yes.
3.
A robot with a square head is watching TV inside.
Okay, a robot with square is watching TV inside the rocket. Okay, head. Okay. Number 5. One of the planets is larger than the other 2.
Is larger than
Number 6.
one. The tree have a leaf that look like little head.
Very good. Number 7.
The ground under the rocket look like a bit like sand.
The ground under the rocket looks like bit like a sand. Okay, very good, Kayo. You got perfect score. Very good. Next one. For a while. Listen and write the names. You have to listen and write the names, okay? Oh. Okay, you'll be here. For a while. You listen and write the name.
12B. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it G-L-U-S-T-I-D-A.
12B. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-T-H. N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it Glustida.
You didn't have answer for number 2, Keo?
No.
Okay, let us see. Number 1. Oh, Gostida is number 1. Number 2, Yerbache. Oh, and number 3, Pavil. That one. Use Zenep.
What did everyone say Zenith first?
Ah, oh, wow. In the test, may I see?
12B.
I will listen
A
again.
journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F.
Yeah.
Now look.
Sorry. Yeah, Keo, you're right. Number 1 is Zenep, and the last one is Glostida, right?
Yes.
The instruction is wrong. You are right. Number 1 is Zenep, and number 4 is Glostida, right? Oh, you're very good, Keo. Only number 2 you did not answer. Okay, next. Okay, very good, Keo. Next, audio script. Okay, wait for a while. I will try to hide my face so that you can clearly see everything. Audio script. Okay, here. You will listen and you will answer here. Okay, go for a while.
12B.
Okay.
A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L.
Wait, Keo, for a while, Keo.
Can
Okay. Okay, go there, go back. Okay.
12b. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Okay, this is the one
Can you see the robot
your
in this
number
picture?
for number
You
one is
can?
spelled Zenith. That's good,
Good.
Kayo. You look at, you
The
hear this
robot's
one.
name
You
is
try to
Zenith.
read.
You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it G-L-U-S-T-I-D-A.
Oh, Kayo, all your answers is actually correct. The one who is wrong is the instruction, right? You are good. Okay. Now, how many differences can you point out? Now, let me see how many differences can you point out in here. So you try to encircle all the differences. Okay, you encircle here the differences. I will wait for a while, Kayo. I will one. Encircle. Try to encircle.
Finish.
Okay, let us see here. We have here in this one, there is picture number 1.
Picture number 1.
Yeah, this number 1. I will write here for a while. I will write here number 1. This 1. And this is 2. Okay, picture number 1.
In the first picture, the rock is behind the flower. But in the second picture, the rock is not behind the flower. In the first picture, the tree has a flower on it. But in the second picture, no, the first picture, the tree don't have a flower on it. In the second picture, the tree has a flower on it.
Yes.
In the picture, all the astronaut is wearing a orange glove, but in the second picture, all the astronaut is wearing a white glove. In the first picture, 2 astronauts is playing golf, but in the second picture, 2 astronauts is playing badminton. In the first picture, the astronaut is jumping out of the rocket is smile. But in the second picture, the man is jumping out the rocket is sad. In the
Yes.
first picture, the robot is watching TV, but in the second picture, the robot is cooking. In the first picture, they have three planets, but in the second picture, it has just one planet. In the
Okay. Can you see this
it's
one?
a rocket.
Okay. Are all okay? There is a this.
Rocket, but in the second picture, it don't have a rocket.
Yeah, there's a rocket here. And then in the first picture, there's a
In the first picture, it's a pink planet. In the second picture, it don't have a pink planet. That's all.
okay. Okay. Next is, can you see this one? In the first picture, Kayo, you can see the flower. Look at the flower. The flower here, the tree here is not having a very beautiful flower. And in the first picture, there's a rock, but in the second, don't have rock. And in the first picture, can you see what are the two astronauts doing? The two astronauts is
Is playing golf.
playing badminton. But in here, the two astronauts here is just playing golf. Okay. And then, here in the first picture, the astronaut is watching TV. But in the second picture, the astronaut is?
No, it's a robot.
No, it's not astronaut, it's a robot. The first picture, the robot is watching TV. In the second picture, the astronaut is cooking. The robot is cooking. In the first picture, the astronaut, look at the astronaut. He is smiling. But in the second picture, the astronaut is not smiling. He is sad. Okay, very good, Gayon. Next one. Well, very good. Okay, next one. Oh, this is all about the planets, all about the Earth. Okay, oh, see? Let us see your answer. Look at Kayo here. Look at here. Oh, see? Yeah. Here. But in here, there's no moon. Okay, what else? Yes, this one. Yes. Oh, very good, Kayo. Next one. Two astronauts are playing golf, right? There are two trees with leaves. Okay, two trees. Then, the robot is watching TV inside the rocket. There are three other planets in here. The robot head is square. Yes, where is the robot head? Okay. One astronaut is wearing orange gloves. There's a rock behind the tree. There's no rocket in the sky. Two astronauts are playing badminton. There are two trees with pink flowers in here. The robot is cooking inside the rocket. Look at this one. There is one other planet, only one other planet, but here there are three. Here in the first picture, there are three planets. The robot head is round. Oh, but the robot head here is square. One astronaut is wearing white gloves. Oh, here. There's no rock behind the tree. There's a rocket in the sky. Yeah, there's a rocket. The flying astronaut looks sad. Now, very good, Kayo. Now, read the text, choose the right words. Okay, you read the text now and please choose, write your answer 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. You pick here the answer. Or just underline the answers. Just underline your answer. Can you see this one? Wait for a while. Number 4.
Finish.
Okay.
Teacher might go out.
Okay, you go out first and we'll discuss later. Go out first.
Finish.
Okay, here, let us see the answer. Okay, these are the answer. Let us check your answer. Okay, can you read number 1, Keo?
The planet we live on is called Earth. Earth is on the eight.
Is one of.
It's one of 8 planets that move round and round the sun.
Very good. Until
The 28 country
Century.
country,
Century. It's not country. Century.
century.
Yes, very
We
good.
have any really good map of our planet, but now we can take picture of Earth with special cameras in space that making map easy.
Okay. So we have here, okay, very good. Now, the planet we live on is called, what do we call our planet, Kyo? What's the name of the
Earth.
planet? Earth, okay. Earth is one of the 8 planets that move round and round the sun, okay? Until the 20th century, this, Kyo, you read this, not country, it's century. Century, we didn't realize we have any really good maps of our planets. But now we can take pictures of Earth with special cameras in space and making maps easy. Okay, you only got one mistake. Very good again, Keo. Wow, very impressive. Read the text, choose the right words. Okay. You read the text, continue, you read and choose the right word. I will, okay, like that. Okay, read now. You choose the right word. Just choose the right word. I will hide my pictures that you can see. You read.
Finish.
Okay. Okay, let us see your answer. Oh, look at number 1, Keo. Number 5. Can you read number 5?
Most of our planet has water on it. So in picture, Earth often look like a big blue and white ball.
Okay, most planet has water on it. So, yeah, it looks like a big blue and white ball. But pictures of Earth don't only help us to make them very good. Also learn a lot about environment and weather. Number 9 answer, very good. And traveling in space and watching other planets help us to learn more about Earth. Would you like to be an astronaut one day? Oh, your answers, Kayo, are all correct.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Kayo. Your answers are all correct. Read the text again and answer this question. What is the name of the planet we live?
Earth. Earth.
How many planets? Let's see. Name planet we live. How many? How many planets moved around and around the sun?
8.
There are?
8.
What does our planet looks like from space?
Like almost a water and a big
Almost?
white ball. Water.
Almost blue and white.
White.
Ball. Almost blue and white ball. Again, I will ask question. What is the name of the planet where we live?
Earth.
Earth. How many planets move around and around the sun?
8.
What does our planet looks like from space?
Like a blue and white ball.
Okay, blue and white ball. Okay, here. Look at Keo. We have here a realistic planets. We have here Sun, the Pluto, the Venus, the Mercury. This is our planet, the Earth. Mars, Saturn. Wow, you can see Saturn. There is a ring. It's a ring planet. The Jupiter is the biggest or the largest planet. What was the smallest
Biggest.
planet?
Largest. I think it's a moon.
Moon. What's the largest? It's the Jupiter.
Jupiter.
But Pluto is not already a planet. It is distinct. It's not already existed. Pluto is X. How about the ring planet? It is
Saturn.
Saturn. The hottest planet is
The sun.
Sun. Aside from the sun, this
Mars.
Mars. Look at the color. Okay. Planet vocabulary. Look at here. Planet vocabulary. Mars. Can you read?
Mars. Saturn. Jupiter. Pluto. Venus. Mercury.
Mercury.
Uranus.
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 Yeah, very good. That one. Next.
Neptune.
Neptune, yes. Okay, those are the planets. How many planets do we have? 1, 2, 3,
8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, listen and write names, then color the planets. See, you will color the planets, Kayo. space. Oh, wait here. Wait for a while. Okay, wait here. Okay, wait for a while. Where's the lesson and write here? Okay, listen and write the planets. Okay, here, you listen carefully, Kiyo. Okay.
12E. A journey into space.
It's a journey into space.
Listen and write the names of the planets and then colour the planets. 1.
Dad, I have to write the names of the planets and color this picture. Can you help me?
All right. Find the planet that's nearest the sun.
Do you mean the smallest planet?
Yes. Color it brown. That's the color of Mercury in space.
Mercury? Okay.
2.
Now, look for the biggest planet. Its name is Jupiter.
And what color is Jupiter?
Well, first, draw a red spot on that planet.
And then what must I do?
Put some orange and yellow stripes on that planet.
All right.
3.
4 of the planets have rings round them. Can you see?
Oh, yes. What's the name of this planet? The one with the most rings.
That's Saturn.
And I know what color Saturn is. It's yellow.
That's right. Use that color.
4.
Ma.
Which planet is between Saturn and Neptune?
That's Uranus. And Uranus is the same color as Neptune.
So it's light blue then?
That's right. Make it that color.
5.
The last planet to color is Mars.
Wait a minute. Mars is the red planet, isn't it?
That's right.
Great. I've got the right pencil here then. Thanks, Dad. That's the end of my homework.
Okay, I will replay it again to you so that you will listen it again. I will play.
12E. A journey into space. Listen and write the names of the planets and then colour the planets. 1.
Dad, I have to write the names of the planets and color this picture. Can you help me?
All right. Find the planet that's nearest the sun.
Do you mean the smallest planet?
Yes. Color it brown. That's the color of Mercury in space.
Mercury? Okay.
2.
Now, look for the biggest planet. Its name is Jupiter.
And what color is Jupiter?
Well, first, draw a red spot on that planet.
And then what must I do?
Put some orange and yellow stripes on that planet.
All right.
3.
4 of the planets have rings round them. Can you see?
Oh, yes. What's the name of this planet? The one with the most rings.
That's Saturn.
And I know what color Saturn is. It's yellow.
That's right. Use that color.
4.
Which planet is between Saturn and Neptune?
That's Uranus. And Uranus is the same color as Neptune.
So it's light blue then?
That's right. Make it that color.
5.
The last planet to color is Mars.
Wait a minute. Mars is the red planet, isn't it?
That's right.
Great. I've got the right pencil here then. Thanks, Dad. That's the end of my homework.
Okay, are you done, Kayo?
Why?
You done?
I done the color, but I done.
Okay, we'll repeat it one more, please. What's the answer? Okay, what's the answer for other one?
Finish. Finish. Finish, teacher. Finish. Teacher, I'm finished.
So, Uranus, Kayo, let us see your answer. Yeah, Mercury, very good. This is Mercury, Kayo. This one is Mercury.
12E.
Yeah.
A journey into space.
Mercury.
Listen and write the
This
names of the
Mars,
planets
the red
and
planet.
then color the planets. 1,
Dad, I have to write the names of the planets and color this picture. Can you help me?
All right. Find the planet that's nearest the sun.
Nearest the
Do
sun.
you mean the smallest planet?
Yes.
The smallest planet
Color
is
it brown.
Mercury.
That's the color of Mercury in space.
Okay, the
Mercury?
nearest to the
Okay.
sun is Mercury, the smallest planet.
2,
Mars,
Now, look for the biggest planet.
the biggest planet
Its
is
name is Jupiter.
Jupiter.
And
Jupiter.
what color is Jupiter?
Well, first, draw a red spot on that planet.
And then what must I do?
Put some orange and yellow stripes on that planet.
All right.
3,
4 of the planets have rings round them.
Okay,
Can
the
you
ring
see?
planet of
Oh, yes.
Saturn.
What's the name of this planet? The one
ring
with the
planet.
most rings.
That's Saturn.
Saturn.
And I know what color Saturn is.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
That's right. Use that color.
And then
4,
it's the
Which planet is between Saturn and Neptune?
That's Uranus.
okay.
And
Okay, look at the answer. The first planet from the sun, color brown, is Mercury.
Mercury.
Yeah, very good. The fourth planet from the sun is Mars, color red. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the fourth planet. The fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter. It's the largest planet. Sixth planet, it's the ring planet, color yellow. It's Saturn. And seventh planet, Uranus, it's light blue. Look at here, the live planet.
I see.
Look at this one. It's a live planet. Wow, very good. Nice. Mercury, look at Mercury, Mars, small. Okay. Okay, here. Nine. Answer questions about our planet. How to say temperature in English? For example, 16.
16C. 16C, right?
Okay, you will read this as 16 degrees Celsius. Also the CR, ma'am. 16 degrees Celsius. Okay, you will read this as 16 degrees Celsius. This one, can you see red one, Kyo? How to read it one? 16?
16 degrees Celsius.
Okay. 16? Look at here. Can you read 16 degrees Celsius or centigrade? 16 degrees centigrade. Okay. Look at you how to read. Minus 75.
75 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Again, minus 75 degrees Celsius or 75 degrees below zero. Okay, that's how to read. Now, what's the color of the earth?
Blue and white.
What temperature?
14 degrees Celsius.
Very good. It has rings?
No.
How long does it go around the sun?
24 hours.
Oh, 24 hours only? Look at your answer. 300.
365 days, 6 hours, and 60 minutes.
Oh, yeah. The earth go around the sun, go around the sun in 365 days, 6 hours and 16 minutes. How many moons do we have?
1 moon.
1 moon only. Hey, very good. Yeah. Okay, next year. We only have 1 moon, Kyo.
1 month.
Okay, here. Okay, look at here, Keo. Wow, what a very nice picture. Keo, look at the pictures here. Wow, let's find out about other planets. Oh, Keo, look at the sun, Keo. Very hot. As in hot. Okay. Would you like to travel in space? Keo, I will ask a question. Would you like to
Yes.
travel in space?
Yes,
Why?
because I want to see all the planets.
Wow, because I want to see all the planets, teacher. Which planets would you like to visit? You pick one.
Mars.
Mars? Why?
No, Saturn.
Saturn? Why?
Because it has around, because it called ring space.
Because it has a ring on it. And how long you might think the journey going to the planets. How long?
Wait.
How long?
Here is go that place.
See how long? This is Earth. Oh, how long? Would it take how many days, weeks, or years?
24 years.
24?
Yeah.
So big. Music, Maniday. It's music. Okay. Wait a
Like
minute.
this.
Okay.
Wow.
How long? Okay, next. What? How long? Kayo, how many days?
100.
100. So, 100 days, it's only 3 months to travel? Wow! How about 300? Can you travel there for 365 days? Like 1 year?
No.
Oh, okay, we don't know, teacher. It's long, maybe to travel. Okay, look at this one. We'll have to check on the planet. Let us see this planet. Can you see the planet here? Look at here, ah. We'll compare the planet. Okay, Mercury. What color does it look like?
Gray.
Gray. What temperature? 400
437
degree
degree
maximum.
maximum.
And it has rings or no rings?
Knowing.
Oh, there's no rings in the Mercury. How long to take to go to Mercury?
88.
I know. How long does the Mercury travel around the sun? How many days?
I don't know.
88? Look at here. 88?
Day. Day. 88
Okay.
day.
88 days. How many moons?
0.
0. No, that is why Mercury is very dark. It doesn't have moon. How about Mars? What's the color of Mars?
Red.
Red. And how many days the Mars travel around the sun? How many kayo?
687 days.
Wow, very long. It is 2 years for the Mars to travel around the Earth. How many moons?
2 moon.
There are 2. How about Venus? What's the color?
Yellow and white.
Yeah, and how many days does Venus travel around the sun?
225.
Yeah,
days.
and they don't have moon. Okay. How about Jupiter? What's the color?
Light brown, orange, and yellow stripe.
Okay, and how many does it have rings?
What?
Does
No.
it yeah,
Yes.
rings or no rings?
Yes.
This is rings. How long? Oh my god! How long does the Jupiter go around the sun? How many? 4,000?
4,000
330
331 days.
Oh my god, very long kayo. It takes, I guess, 4
Teacher,
divided by 3.
Teacher, Neptune is longer than Jupiter.
Yeah, and Jupiter, yeah, look at here. Jupiter, it's 4,000. So long. But look
But
at that. How many
Neptune
moons does Jupiter have?
63 named moons.
Wow, that is why they have a very brighter planet. And how about Saturn? What's the color?
Yellow and gold.
And how many days? My God!
How many days? 10,755 days.
How about the Neptune? Oh, how many moons does Saturn have?
52 names.
52 named moons. How about the Neptune? How many days? 60,000?
60,100
19
days.
Wow, my God. Because, look at this. Let us see. Let us see how, why. Because Neptune, look at Neptune.
It's far from the sun.
Far, right? It's very far from the
Sun.
That's why it travels.
Did you have about Mercury?
Where's the Mercury here? Yeah, the Mercury is, what's Mercury? It's only 88 days to travel because Mercury is
Near the sun.
Near the sun. The Earth is 300. Where's the Saturn? Oh, look at the Saturn. It's also very long to travel. Yeah.
But I see Jupiter don't have a wing, but why we learned Jupiter has a wing?
Okay, because the ring of the Jupiter is invisible. We cannot see it clearly, but it has a ring. It just happened that we cannot see it here. But Saturn, we can see the ring. Look at the ring of the Saturn.
I see.
Yeah, the Neptune is how many days to travel? 60,000 km, very long. Okay, that's why because Neptune is the farthest planet. And the nearest planet is?
Mercury.
Mercury, and also the hottest planet because it is near to the sun. My God. And Earth, it is the unique planet. Oh my God. I can see the sun, Keo. It's very hot. Can you see the sun?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very hot. The sun is so hot. Okay. Oh, let us see here.
Teacher.
Yes.
Can we leave meeting now?
Oh no, not yet. We're not yet done. We need to finish 15 minutes more. 15 minutes.
What? But
Okay.
we just have this.
Again? We're not yet done. We need 15 minutes more. Early, or if you leave, okay, teacher can continue the recording. But you can leave if you want. But we need to finish. Why? Are you tired now?
What?
Are you tired?
No, because I see do next time there.
I cannot hear you. Are you tired?
Because I see the see you next time there.
You want to play now?
No, because I see you next time, then I leave.
Okay. Not yet. We need to move to other lesson. We still have 15 minutes.
I don't want to move.
You need to study or else you will not be smart. Anyway, 15 minutes is very fast.
I want to the shot.
Okay, you take a rest for a while. If you want. You go, Kyle. You go to bathroom first. Okay, you take a rest for a while. You go, Cow.
I want to the short lesson.
What? You want to?
Short lesson.
To stop the lesson now? Not yet.
No,
Hurry up.
short.
What's that?
O-R-T.
M-O?
S-H-O-R-T.
I don't, teacher don't understand. Do it clearly. You tell teachers clearly. I want to.
The short lesson.
Short lesson. Okay. This will be short lesson. After this, if the time is already 15 minutes, then we can move. We can stop now. We will not continue if the lesson is too long. We'll continue only after 15 minutes. Don't worry. Teacher will not move or choose the short or the long lesson. Okay? Okay,
Because
now
we
what
learn-
have you seen here, Keo boy?
We learned one lesson already.
Oh, but a lesson is too fast for you because you're very smart. If you are not that smart, of course, we cannot learn it in one lesson because you are smart. It's easy for you to learn one lesson and that's a good thing. Okay? Okay? Now, look at here, look at here, look at here. Okay. What can you see? My God, the pictures are all amazing. Okay, Keo. Okay, here. Now, we are going to visit different places. Look, oh, teacher will not start, right? Come here, go. Go, Keo, Keo. Where are you? I couldn't find Keo, boy. Where's Keo, Keo? Where's Keo? I couldn't find Keo. Are we going to have hide and seek? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay, go Keo, come here. Let's just have 15 minutes, 12 minutes more. Go. Okay, can you read the vocabulary words?
Torch.
Next.
Torch, shell, blanket, jet, parrot.
Very good. Torch, shell, blanket, chest, parrot. Okay, look at this one. It's torch. That one, it's blanket. And the torch. This flashlight torch. And the blanket is here. It's up. Next is the chest. It's a parrot. And, okay, here the shell. This is the shell. This is the torch. Torch, flashlight, blanket, shell, parrot, and chest. Okay, here. Okay, you now try to answer the puzzle. Read the sentences, then complete words 2 to 10 in the puzzle. Go, you can answer now so that we can finish. Answer.
I don't know.
You answer.
Garden.
Go answer, Keo. You answer now.
Number 4 is snake.
Oh, you answer. You type your answer.
I want to speak.
Oh, you type your answer now. I know you're very good. Go, Keo. Go.
I want to speak.
Oh, if I'm speak, we cannot exactly do it rightly. Okay, go. What's number 2?
Number 4.
Okay, if it's up to you where you are going to start.
I just knew number 4.
Okay, you do first with number 4. Okay. Snake. This usually yellow. It's under your feet when you walk on the beach. On the beach? Okay, what's the correct answer? Okay, you finish that so that will be okay and you can leave the meeting.
I don't know how to write the word field.
Okay, it's okay. You just write it here at the end, at the side.
I don't know the word field.
Okay, number 2. You can walk up this because they're lower than the mountains. What's the answer?
What?
You can walk up this because they are lower than the mountain.
I don't know what it is.
What do you think is the answer?
I don't know.
Oh, let us see. The answers for number 2 is... Oh, look at here. It's heels. That's number 2. It's heels.
Number 3 is field.
Number 3, wait for a while.
Field.
Okay. Number 3, you can find
Field.
this on farms and some farmers
Field.
grow. What's the answer?
Field.
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 Number 4, this is usually yellow. It's under your feet when you walk on the beach.
Snake.
Snake? Are you sure it's snake? Sand.
Sand.
Okay, number
Sand.
5. People live and work in these places. They're like towns but smaller.
Village.
Villages. Villages. Here, number 6. You see this on all kind of plants.
Forest.
They sometimes pull trees off the trees. What kind of answer is that?
Forest.
Forest. You can find thousands of tall trees in this place. Number 7.
Island.
Island. Tall trees in the island.
No. Forest.
Forest again. Number 8. There is a water all around this place, so you need a boat to get to it.
A sea.
No, number 8. Look at number 8. See how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Island. Number 8. Number 9. Most of these are really pretty, and you find them on the beach or at the bottom of the sea.
Sail.
Number? Shells.
Sail.
How about number 10? When it rains, it's gray and has a lot of clouds in it. What's the answer?
This gray.
Yeah, what's the answer?
I never seen gray before.
Okay, number 1. Let us see the answer. Number 1, answer grass. Number 2, what's the answer?
High. Hill.
Fields. Okay. Next answer, what do you think?
Field.
Fields. Number 4. What's the answer?
Sand.
Sand. Number 5.
Village.
Villages. Number 6. Leaves. Number 7.
Forest.
Number 8.
Island. No.
And number 9.
Sail.
Number 10.
Sky.
Oh, and number 11. There is no number 11. Okay.
Teacher, I want to play with my friend.
Okay, for a while. Okay. Now color all the circle purple where you can see an S. Okay, you color first. You.
I want to play.
Okay. Find 2 N, S, and color the circle. Oh, there's 2 N here. Color 5A, circles green. Okay, where's that? Green. And color letter K, circle pink. And 6A, circles blue. Okay. Write the letters in purple, orange, green, pink, and blue. Oh, you're not. Oh, tomorrow we'll do it again, Kayo. We need to check this one. We'll do it again tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow. We're going to do it tomorrow again.
Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher.